How to use WhatsApp account on two phones. This tutorial shows you how to link your WhatsApp to a second device using the multi-device feature. First, open the WhatsApp application on your primary Android device. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Linked Devices to access the multi-device settings. At this point, tap on Link a Device at the bottom. In the next step, you may be prompted to verify using your fingerprint or PIN. Following this, a QR code scanner will open on your screen. Once done, take your second phone and open WhatsApp, or go to web.whatsapp.com in a browser. From here, if using another phone, install WhatsApp and tap Link as Companion Device during setup. At this stage, point your primary phone's camera at the QR code displayed on the second device. After this, the devices will connect and your WhatsApp will be linked to both phones. Once completed, you can now use the same WhatsApp account on both devices simultaneously. And that's it. If this multi-device guide helped you use WhatsApp on two phones, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.